Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be teaching you how to make a very simple condiment, basil pesto, a sauce that can be beautifully paired with pasta, chicken, seafood, and is super easy to make. I will actually be using this recipe in a future dish in a later episode. So if you're as excited as I am, give this video a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get the ball rolling on this episode of Mom, That's Yucky. To begin, you will need 2 cups of basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 4 garlic cloves, a 1/2 cup of olive oil, and a 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan. In a food processor, you will add in your basil and your pine nuts. You will then process them until well broken down. After scraping down the sides of your food processor, you will add in your Parmesan and your garlic. Process for a few more minutes until the mixture is nice and crumbly. Next, while processing on a low speed, you will slowly pour in the olive oil. Add in about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt for flavor. Continue processing, scraping down the sides occasionally until everything is beautifully incorporated and you have a delicious pesto sauce. And there you have it, you guys. Basil pesto. Super fast and super simple. It's a great sauce that pairs with pasta, seafood, and chicken. And like I said earlier, I will be using this sauce in a future episode. If you like this video, don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any suggestions or any ideas, put them in the comments below. I would love to hear them. But until next time, guys, my name's Amanda Evans, and this has been Mom, That's Yucky. See you later, guys.